In the world of design, two terms often get tossed around interchangeably, UX and UI. But what's the real difference between them? Think of UX design as the architect of a building project. Their job is to answer the big questions. What are we building? Why are we building it? Who are we building it for? They're the visionaries, shaping the structure, flow, and overall experience of the final product. From the broad strokes down to the smallest details. Now, imagine UI design as the interior designer. They take that architectural vision and breathe life into it. They define the look, the feel, the personality of the space. The colors, the textures, the ambience, all of it comes together under their expert eye. Just like in the world of architecture and interior design, both roles are crucial in creating a successful end product. UX sets the foundation, ensuring the product meets the needs and expectations of its users. So, next time you're using a digital product, remember the architects and interior designers behind the scenes, working together to create something truly exceptional.